This is the second part of the Firebase website. Okay, so here you have what you have with AI absolutely for free. You can develop the website without any payment. So this is my channel, Codecraft Marketing India. Welcome to your inside my channel. Then inside the playlist you will see a playlist named Firebase. Here you will see the first part of it, the second part you can watch this video. Okay, so what is the last video I left here? Like for example, this is doing this work. Now a little bit inside the second video, a little bit advanced inside the second video. Like for example, now what is inside it is the name of my website, the logo of the logo, and my web, which is my Codecraft marketing name. I have to get the name mentioned here. And there are two or three other things, like whatever comes to your mind you can get it done. Now guys, what have I done in this is that I have written some things for myself. What should be the color of my website? Well, I have to import the product. What should be the title description tag of my website that I can upload on cPanel? I want an Indian UPI payment method inside my site. Okay, I want a header with logo, contact us button, and my number or my email ID should also show. These are all things. Now, what is inside this 2020? Products should have 20 products, categories should have something like that. It should be designed differently. Now all these things can be done with ChatGPT. Let me tell you, if for example you go inside the ChatGPT, then suppose for example you log in inside the ChatGPT, you have free space, it does not matter. You can also speak and write on the free one. Now you can write here, create a prompt. Create a prompt for me, e-commerce website with payment gateway, manual Indian payment gateway. Okay, manual Indian payment. The gateway is fine. So now he will write the complete prompt, that if you have to create your website, then what things do you have to do? Then first of all, a modern one has become the core of it, like categories, description, images, add to cart, check it out. Okay, the manual payment gateway got done. How should the customer flow be? Well, the admin panel should have the feature approve, reject payment is fine. Privacy policy, terms and conditions should be all these pages inside the legal trust. I have to do something like this, right? HTML, CS use JavaScript, use Firebase. Do not even have to take Razorpay and manual payment. I mean, just copy all these things and copy this one out of it and direct who are you? Can you speak to the Firebase? What have I done in it now? Already I have written everything for myself because I have written all the things I have to do. So here I have copied and pasted it. I have given the command to the Firebase. Now what will its AI agent do? He will check all these things, collect his related, he will do all the work for me, like header, contact, product integration, UPA payment gateways on it. Then he will continue to prepare all the coding related to all these things. After that it is ready and completed. This will be shown in the final. Now look first how my site is now here. In what way is my site? There was also a background. Categories have also come, headwater has also come. Now there is a digital groove here. So I want, what is the name of the digital groove? That code is known as craft marketing. Well, I have just written the same here, and after that, this file which will pick up, I have not written anything about where to do or not to do. Automatically my digital groove will be changed automatically. The code will come in the name of craft marketing. Look, Codecraft Marketing in has arrived. This AI is so advanced, it understands everything what to do in it, what you want. Now, for example, what is JS, what is JavaScript, what is files. It will check all the things and what is in it for me. He will do it everywhere. If I write to him that everywhere do this for everywhere, then he will do all the things from everywhere. Then this guy is a very good thing, that you can do any modification in any way inside your entire website. Very simple, very simple. You can do anything comfortably. Look, the catalog made its page. Inside it, my name, number, and privacy policy, return policy, header, footer, all these he gave ready. So that's a very good thing. Now here I have to add some products, some categories I have to add. His image has to be displayed. Add to cart, payment is still pending. Now slowly I am working on the site, then all those things will also be ready. And what is next for you is my site. Look, I have got a lot of products and a lot of categories. Right now this is just because of what I did. Not stored from your database. Some have not given him images, etc. If I give him that too, he will do it too. You see, it has also created an Indian payment gateway for me, and whatever things I need, it has given me ready. So now you wait, see what magic is happening inside it. So that's very good. If the agent runs your auto, then absolutely for free, you can work from the site. Let's do a test here. For example, I have a category above all of these. Below is the product. You can get it shifted. Suppose he clicks on it. See this, he said brother now. Above that, you put your UPI ID and pay now. Here is a manual. Whoever is on the screen, my UPI QR code has come. Now here to change it. So I have written this is my UPI ID. This is my number. If the payment is successful, then show me the success and the instructions will spread. And inside the contact page here, my mobile number, email ID should also be shown. So if any customer purchases anything from my site, he should not be worried. If he is not disturbed or upset that his payment has gone bad, then he can also contact me directly on my WhatsApp. So all these things are placed now. Here I look, it has been completed, the code has also come, the scanner code also arrived, payment will also be successful. If everything is ready, you can do all these things. In the same way, the 20 products that I have told to add to it will add this. You have to add from category, he will add from category. I told him that the design should be attractive from the look. There should be a logo, there should be a link behind the logo. Well, my INR is what I have to win. Like Indian rupees is behind the product code of Indian rupees, it should also be visible in all USD. So he will also do this, like it and everything you have to do, you can do it. Okay, just as many files as there are, you can see above the left hand side, it has all those files ready. Okay, what can you do now? What can't you do? All these things I have already written here. If you want this prompt, then this one is for you. I'll leave it in the comment box. You can check all these prompts and use them according to what you want to do inside your site. This was just my website. This was the second part of my video. I hope you liked the video, so be sure to subscribe. So we are preparing for the third part. I am going to make the third part for you soon. So if you are ready to watch the next video, then this is my YouTube channel. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel in the playlist under the name of Firebase. Two videos are ready. The third video of this second video will also come inside the same playlist. So wait and you will get the next video. Hope you liked the video. Be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for the video. Bye bye.
Generate by AI.